Hello, my friends. My name is Stephanie Bernard, and along with my husband, we own the Stamps of Life. A lot of times I get asked the question, what is your club? And I want to kind of explain it to you because it's so amazingly awesome that once you find out about it, you're definitely going to want to join. But there's a couple little things about it that are, there's actually technically 4 clubs. And you can start on this one, or you can do all of them, and oh gosh, it gets really exciting. What is our club? The club is an automatic shipment. Every month you get a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically. It's always a full-size sheet of stamps and it's always brand new. I design new ones every month. So you're not going to get something that you saw that we had 8 years ago or something like that, because we've had some people be in the club the entire 10 years we've been in business. Now it's always going to be very versatile because it needs to appeal to as many people as possible. So for example, we're not going to do little monkeys on unicycles, because what if you don't have a monkey that uses a unicycle? It's always going to be very general in theme. This is one of our more recent ones. It's always going to come with words, and it's always going to come with stamp images. Now the Stamp Club is only $11.95 a month. California residents do pay tax. This includes shipping. No extra shipping, no other charges, $11.95. If you're out of the country, or like in Canada or international, it is a little bit more for shipping, but not much. Now, as a club member, you get a 15% discount in our booth and on our website. Also, you're going to get freebies every couple months sent to you with your shipments. And if you stay in the club a full year, on your anniversary month, you're going to get a $15 gift certificate to our website. Not bad, right? A new benefit we just recently added is you will also get club points. Anytime you buy something on our website, or when you come visit us at one of the conventions, we're doing 30 this year, at one of the conventions, you're going to earn club points to be able to use towards other purchases, which is really exciting. Now, if you cancel your club membership, you're going to lose your club points, so stay in the club as long as you can. Now, what's really exciting is every couple months you're going to get those free little mini stamp sets, or we throw in another. Just recently we threw in a die set just for fun. Now a lot of people love the stamps, but they want the dies that match. Well, guess what? We have a club for that. That's called the Die Hard Club. It's the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. They come in an envelope, they come right to your door. We ship and charge every month on the 1st of the month. So on the 1st of the month, my husband gets up extra early and he gets them all out in the mail to all of you. Now, again, you're going to get the 15% discount in the booth and on our website. And that's not a one-time discount. That is, as long as you're a club member, you're going to get a 15% discount. Now, what's the time commitment? The time commitment is only 8 years. I'm just kidding. Of course it's not 8 years. It's only 3 months. We want you to try us out. We want you to check us out. We want to make sure that you love us. We want to make sure that you love getting Happy Mail each month and seeing the fun products, getting the fun things, getting to play with them, checking out our quality as well. And we have an idea gallery on our website and all the videos and all the fun stuff. You're going to love us. But if for some reason after 3 months you're unsatisfied, you log into your account, you click cancel, we'll cry ourselves to sleep that night, but you can cancel. Now, we know you're not going to want to, because you're going to fall in love with us, and you're going to want to keep your club points, you're going to keep your discount, and you're going to want to keep getting Happy Mail. Now, again, I mentioned these are charged and shipped on the 1st of the month. The Stamp Club, that's the Stamp Club. This is the Die Hard Club. Then on the 15th of the month, we have the Kit Club. It's technically called the Card Kit Club. I call it the Kit Club. It comes in a fun box like this on the 15th of the month. And we're going to open it up, and it comes with tons of goodies. First, you get a handy dandy storage envelope, and you get regular envelopes, because we always know we need lots of envelopes. Those are A2 in size. Then you're going to get lots of cardstock, and you're going to get a theme. So this one, here's this one. And I'm going to hold this all up so you can see these pretty colors. And of course, you're going to get some, this one came with ivory actually, but look at how gorgeous that is. Then you're going to get fun stuff to go with it. You're going to get a paper pad. I design a new paper pad every month. You are getting 24 sheets of double-sided cardstock paper. Listen to this. This is one sheet. That's how thick it is, printed in the USA. Now, the nice thing about this, and we'll talk about this more in just a minute, but the nice thing about this is we do these sheets that look like this. If you were in the Die Hard Club, you would have dies that can cut these out. These are already shaded and colored for you. You die cut them out and you're halfway done with your card already. Isn't that exciting? So we have all these fun papers, double-sided. There's another one you can cut out. Lots of words, just lots of fun, wonderful patterns using all of our color palette. Now, this kit also comes with ribbons. So this one came with an organza and a green dots. It comes with a die, different than our Die Hard. This one says the word dream with a shadow. Ooh, this one came with some fun covered buttons. So it's going to come with different embellishments each time. Ooh, some cute little flower rhinestones. A different stamp set than our stamp club. This one usually has a lot of words. Sending hugs across the miles. Sorry I missed your birthday surprise. Hello, my dearest friend, and thanks. Ooh, some chipboard matches our other set, right? And just for fun, another die. This one is a cute little cloud. Now, this is our kit club. The kit club is shipped and charged on the 15th of the month, and it ships the next business day. And that is a really exciting club. If you're in this club for a full year, on your anniversary month, you get a $25 gift certificate to our website. The other clubs are $15. This one is a $25 gift certificate to our website. Now, we have a lot of people that love us so much that they're doing our best value. I wanted to call it the whole enchilada, but we call it the Gold Club. The Gold Club means they get this shipment on the 1st of the month, and they get this shipment on the 15th of the month. So they get 2 shipments of Happy Mail a month. They do not get a 15% discount on our website. They get a 20% discount on our website. And if they stay in the Gold Club for a full year, you get a $40 gift certificate to the website. 15 for this club and 25 for this club. Isn't that exciting? And 20% discount. I call it the whole enchilada club. It's called the Gold Club, but it's the best value because if you're in the Gold Club, you save an extra $5 off of this kit. So the more clubs you're in, the more money you save, the more freebies, the more yummy stuff, and of course you get club points now, which are brand new and they are going to be so exciting. If you have any questions about the club, feel free to email us to our website and we will answer those questions for you. But you know what? It's so much fun. You're going to love it. Getting Happy Mail, it's always so nice to get something happy in the mail for once instead of bills or ads or junk. Getting some Happy Mail, and it's a surprise. Of course, every product we have does have a video, and if you see something that you're like, oh, I really want that, guess what? Once you're a club member, you get the club discount because we release other products throughout the month that you're gonna wanna get, and you're gonna get your discount, which is even more exciting. So go check us out at thestampsoflife.com, click that little tab that says join the club, and you will be in. I will see you there. Bye-bye.